Getting ready to set her down on these little bitty tires. The black looks amazing. You're already lifting it off the jack stands.
I got one out. It's gonna sit so low.
I know. That's what I'm afraid of. And I can't raise it. That's what I'm afraid of. It'd be like dragging the frame. Get that thing out from under the tire. Yeah, make sure there's nothing under there on both sides.
There we go. Alright, there. I'm gonna crawl it before you start dropping it. Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Try not to go fast with this crappy jack.
It'll go real slow.
Sometimes, and then sometimes it will just want to drop it all. There we go. It's not rolling.
The truck's rolling forward, it's fine.
Yeah, truck's moving.
They're definitely not aired up.
Dude, proper air.
Yeah, you gotta put a lot of air in there.
Good job, dude. Yeah. No, it ain't that much lower.
At least 2 inches.
Yeah, since it's up here.
Get the right air in that tire. That thing's flat as flat can be.
Mm-hmm. It ain't as flat Stanley though. It's close. Like your other tires.
Should raise it up almost an inch once it's got 20 pounds in it.
Well, it raised it, you can see the bag now sitting
So that's
like
good.
this.
Huh?
So let's say that's good.
Yeah, you might be close to 20. It's still kind of flat on the bottom for a radial though. We'll have to get a real tire pressure gauge on it. It's not too horribly unlevel. I think I can lower the front at least an inch.
Yeah, I can definitely tell that the front is higher.
Yeah, I might get away with the front just lowering it an inch. I definitely can't lower the rear.
It just looks flat and quality.
There's plenty of room on the drive shaft. Once you raise the other side too, I like where it's sitting. Yeah. I like how low it's sitting.
Yeah.
We're missing the valve stem cap on this side.
I thought I put it back on.
No?
It's in your pocket.
Should be. Maybe.
Nope, that's not it.
Yep. Not in your pockets. Where'd it go? Garrett, what'd you do with it?
I didn't do anything.
The wheelie bar height didn't really change too much.
No, it was high before.
Definitely smaller.
Oh yeah, that's a lot narrower.
And my brakes are gonna get the best cooling ever.
Yep.
Did I get the keys? Oh, thought I did.
I think they'll still hold more air.
I was looking in the wrong spot.